It's your boy DTN back with another reaction video, guys. Here we are with Rachel regrets Sean's truly awful cocktail. Here we are with the best of Sean Locke, 8 out of 10. That Cats does count down. Before we dive into these, make sure you subscribe to the channel, ring notification bell, get a video a thumbs up so it gets suggested, and RIP to an absolute legend, Sean Locke. Let's go.
I've decided to make, if you'd like to help me, Fabio, bring on my countdown cocktail I'm going to make, which is a cocktail made from drinks from every letter of the alphabet. Thank you, dear.
I mean, if this is genuine booze, we're already in a lot of trouble.
I don't think it is there, but I thought undrape.
Undrape.
Drape, undrape.
Undraped is there. That's really unlucky, but not undrape. Sorry, Sean.
I think she enjoys it. Like, you know, beating me down.
Yeah, I mean, she's...
I think it's a sickness. Just as a base drink.
She did it. She does enjoy it. I could see it in her face, Sean. I'm going to agree with you. She enjoyed that.
Just a bit of amaretto. That's like that. That's A. A for amaretto.
Fine base, yeah, lovely. A.
And then there's some umbongo.
And what I've got here is some vegetarian sausages wrapped in vegetarian bacon, or as I call them, quigs in quankets.
Basically, that food is like, it's the food equivalent of a bus replacement service, isn't it? See, cheeky half. It's a coat that you wear that you can put all your shopping in. And of course, milk. Oh, what a drag. Got to carry milk around with you. No, you don't. You just pour it in there.
Don't lean forward, otherwise the milk's going to go...
Careful.
Oh, God, imagine that. Then you just go out the shop. Then there's the guest ale. One of the things you can get people for Christmas, you can buy like a goat for an impoverished village somewhere in the world. And I thought, much better idea, get them a greyhound. And then maybe they can open up a racetrack, get a betting shop that serves alcohol as well, and they can really enjoy their lives.
You can buy a goat for an impoverished village. I thought, better idea. Get a greyhound. They can open up a racetrack, sell alcohol. They can really enjoy themselves out there.
Well, and they can really enjoy their lives. Just like we do. And then, of course, what do you need for every cocktail? You need some ice, don't you? 1, 2. Hey, it's party time. 3. Sheen. I think my favourite spot the difference picture is this one. And I can't see any. And this one here, this is before Raoul's popped round. The weekly touch-up.
You look good, Gray.
I quite like that.
Gray, yeah, it's nice.
I think it really suits you, Jimmy.
God, this is backfired. Everyone's been really surprised. I thought everyone would point and going, ha 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 ha.
I thought that would be the reaction too, Sean. I thought that should have been the reaction, right? No, it's just compliments. Just pure compliments.
Everyone's been really surprised. I thought everyone would point and going, ha 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 ha. Oh, God. Of course, K is Kiora.
Has that been watered down at all, or is that neat?
That's neat.
Oh,
Is that double concentrate we're looking at?
Oh, sure.
Oh,
Oh, easy.
I'm not drinking the toilet cleaner.
John, did you get it?
Yes, I did.
Sean, did you get it?
Yeah. Sure did.
Sean, how did you do it?
Why me first?
Because I believe John got it. I think he's...
And then you got 527. And then N is nog without the egg.
Sean, how many did you get?
Oh, why didn't you ask Richard first?
Sorry, my mistake. Richard, how many did you get?
No, but honestly, ask Sean. He's been on the show a long time. I've got a lot of respect for him. The way
I think that'd be
he
good
plays
for
the
him
game. I like the way the guy plays the game. I like he's good for the show, I think. I think he's good for Countdown.
So, sorry, are you saying, would you like me to go to Sean first, or you...
I would say, Sean, I don't know if you agree with this or disagree.
Really, if you ask Richard first, I think it'd be a really good thing for him to get a bit of a feel for the show, confidence.
So, Richard, if you're all right with that, I'll...
Sean, I'm going to stop you there. I think...
I worry that people watching this at home might feel you guys are playing for time now.
Just to put the pressure on Sean, I would declare a 4.
OK, Sean?
Well, it's interesting you say 4. I'm toying with a 5. I'm feeling a bit wheezy about it. Whether I go for the 5 or I stick to the 4.
You're sticking with the 4, are you?
Yeah.
OK. Rich, what's your 4?
Wavy.
Well, you could have had wave.
Susie, Alex, could they have done any better?
There is a 5, PV, P-E-A-V-Y, which is a lumberer's hook with a spike at the end.
Mother Hubbard! All the time, staring me in the face. I was only using my PV in the gardens. This morning I had my PV out. P. Lovely bit of pesto.
Yeah, I didn't know what a PV was. A PV. I've never heard that in my life. These words.
I had my PV out. P. Lovely bit of pesto.
Vowel.
E.
Pardon?
E.
Sorry.
Oh.
Q's Cointreau.
Delicious.
This would be an ideal drink to have if you're just meeting up with a couple of friends and going to the theatre or the cinema. You'd have one of these.
Nothing too fussy.
Before, if you were going to see a sort of like a drama, Shakespeare play or something like that, and you wanted something just to sort of like take the edge off the day. Rest of the bottle. I've got an envelope here. I've written a word in here, and I think this word is going to come up tonight.
Oh, OK. Well, pass it over.
Zealots.
Amazing season.
Yeah.
Get a lot of them around this time.
In my... Open that card. Open that card.
There's other stuff in here.
What? What?
It's not like a novelty...
Oh, no!
Novelty pants.
Yeah, you know what, Ivan?
Oh my! I just imagine somebody wearing that. Okay.
Only gone and done.
What have you done?
I've mixed up the envelopes.
So, it says, Dear Thong Rack, I'm returning these Rudolph pants as they're not fit for purpose. The reindeer is cross-eyed. The antlers chafe and the nose isn't right. As for the back of the pants, where is it? My house guests could see 90% of my arse. Where's the fun in that? I demand a full refund, and no, I haven't washed them.
Unbelievable. So, Thong Hut have got a letter that just says zealots. And nobody's going to believe me. I did that. W, I think no cocktail, no Countdown cocktails satisfied without a couple of whelks in it. X is X.
Which of these was a popular Christmas game in medieval times? Was it A, Wet Willies, B, Hot Cockles, or C, Chili Bottoms?
Definitely hot cockles. Definitely, 100% sure.
As a team, you got to agree.
Wet Willies, Hot Cockles, or Chili Bottoms?
Finally, zest of lemon, but not too much. You don't want to overpower the flavour. There we go.
A bit of lime. Lime.
Okay.
Lime. Sorry, zest of lime. Oh, the whole thing's wasted.
On to our first numbers round. OK, John and Sarah, your turn to pick the numbers. Sean, Miles. Sean and Miles, I won't say it again. Fingers on lips. Hands on heads. Pay attention, it's the numbers round.
Yeah, ready. I'm ready.
Were you ready?
No, he'd brought up Hitler. He was whispering to me about Hitler.
Why was he whispering to you about Hitler?
He said, I don't know about you, Miles, I'm on the fence. I would say no, Sean.
It's a bit like the Swiss during the Second World War, okay? I can see the good side and the bad side. I'm going to stay neutral. Yeah?
OK, on to our first number. Oh, no.
Then you just have a straw.
Oh, mate.
Oh, there's
I
two
think
whelks in there.
you could do with a little bit more tea.
I kind of want to try it.
Would you like to try it? Just
Yeah,
try
can
some.
I-
I've got
can I-
some straws here. Please do. What do you think?
I've had worse.
It's quite
Well, we could do
fruity.
this romantic thing where we drink it together.
3 Mile Island iced tea.
I've got a bit of something.
Got a bit of milk.
You mess with well.
Oh, you got one through a straw?
Here you are.
How large
With
is
every
it?
cocktail, you get a towel. Would anyone like some? Oh, yeah. Welk in there
Yeah,
as well.
put a whelk in.
Got a bit there on the side.
Just, if any of that goes on me, this is over.
It's not your worst nightmare, isn't it, John?
End of that whelk looks like an anus that's been done up on time to.
It's just retired from the porn industry.
I went to a wedding in the countryside. There was a sheep giving birth, and the best man ended the speech and was like, and a new life is born. Everyone ran out into the field with their champagne and stuff, and the sheep's baby was dead.
Keep it light, is it? We just started.
I was at a wedding and the bride was shot. Right between the eyes.
That drink looked absolutely disgusting. That's all we got. You guys got a favorite video suggestion? You can subscribe to Patreon or drop it in the comment section. It's your boy D. Out.